Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Juju, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a dress like this one for your American Girl doll. So if you want to make a dress, you will need a long sleeve shirt, and if you want to make a skirt, you can use a short sleeve shirt. Simple, guys. All you have to do is grab your long sleeve and put it against your doll to measure how long you want it to be. Now, you can make it really short or really long. I'm probably gonna do like right here, so. Okay, now I'm gonna get my doll undressed and try this on and see how it fits. Now I'm gonna try this on my doll and see how it fits. So let's put this on here. Put it on here. Now we can start decorating. Now I know where I want my little gadgets on my dress, so I got my mom to help me glue them on. Okay. Make sure you always ask a parent if you use a glue gun or use scissors, just for safety. Easy, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment down below and like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye.